My name is Melissa Feiner, and today I'm going to be sharing a little bit about Wix.com. Wix is an online portfolio that many students have used in the classroom. When going onto Wix website, you will have to first log in using your Google account. You then will see this page. You have the ability to pick from different categories that you would like to use for your portfolio. You can have students pick from anything that fits what content you would like them to include. When picking the layout, they will see a screen that looks like this. This is where you can customize your own portfolio. This gives students the ability to be creative and share their information in a unique way. They have the ability to change colors, the way it looks, different tools, settings, and how to share their site. After finishing creating the portfolio, they have the ability to share it as a free domain to anyone they choose. There are a lot of advantages when using Wix. It is free, but they have the ability to pay for a membership if needed. The number of layouts that are included is very beneficial for finding the perfect fit for your e-portfolio. They have the ability to connect to social media using Wix if needed. Many say that it's very user-friendly and it also fits all types of portfolios as a developmental, reflective, and representational. There are some disadvantages of Wix, but I definitely think that the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. When you create your Wix, you cannot switch templates after your website goes live. The amount of options from the layouts and different designs can be overwhelming for some, but this also can be an advantage. You can use this e-portfolio many different ways. You can increase the accessibility for your students because they can share their e-portfolio with their parents. Students are developmenting 21st century skills, and they can also track their growth. You can have students work on their portfolio individually or as a group project. In many reviews, one thing that came up the most was that this is the highest public recommended e-portfolio and website builder. Even though many comments were tiered towards the business aspect, a lot of it can be transferred into the classroom. Wix is rated 4.7 out of 5 stars. When having students create e-portfolios, I would highly recommend Wix.com.